So what does this all mean? When looking at all the tests and analysis and comparisons that were actually done, being that you take a NOVA or a Kruskal-Wallis or a Mann-Whitney-U, or looking at the correlation matrix or regression analysis, you still have to come down to what type of schedule will work. And if you look at each individual variable, one can say that for unexcused absences, the block schedule works better. For excused absences, the hybrid schedule works better. For tardiness, the block schedule works better. For minor infractions, the traditional schedule works better. For major infractions, the block schedule works better. And for GPA, the traditional schedule produced better results considering the data that was actually looked at. If I as a researcher had to make a recommendation to a district or to a fellow educator concerning scheduling, I would basically come down with the interpretation that one cannot depend on one scheduling over the other, and each one of them produce different results considering different variables. I would of course give the recommendation that the districts start considering a block scheduling, maybe possibly hybrid type of schedule to produce results. Of course, that would not eliminate any type of obstacle that is produced internally, per se teacher delivery methods or resources that are not available to actually educate the student. Not to mention there are so many influences and so many other considerations that one has to take into effect when actually determining what type of master schedule to incorporate. Most definitely further research is needed in this area to produce more results, of course, to get a healthier opinion and a healthier basis for making determination or decisions based on master schedule design and seeing what works best. For those of you that like to look at numbers or actually see concrete data, the next couple of slides labeled interpretations break down each individual variable. You're going to be looking at the potential predictors, what actually had the strongest contribution when looking at the data. The Bonferroni adjustment results is actually in there. You'll be looking to see what independent variable produced higher means. And then, of course, the parametric and the non-parametric results are in there too. When you are done, of course, go ahead and click the forward button to go to the next section called recommendations.